Your next car could be the 2023 Audi A5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Get the job done in style and comfort and have more than a little fun while you're at it. The A5 Sportback knows what you want and what you need. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun moonroof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, leather steering wheel, intermittent wipers, four-wheel ABS. It's time to seize the day. Test drive the A5 Sportback today.